welcome back again to another video. If you are a new subscriber or a new person clicking on my channel, thank you for clicking. My name is Adaeze Ugoji Okiki, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. Today guys, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I achieve my everyday makeup look. It's nothing serious. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to get it done, so if you want to see how I look, keep watching. So the first thing I do before I start my makeup is just to put some lip balm on my lips, and yeah, I got this lip balm from my job in one of the gift bags that we got sometime this year. So that's all done. Next, I'm going to move to my eyebrows. Guys, if I'm looking anywhere else apart from straightforward, I'm looking at my mirror. I just have to make sure I get this eyebrows looking good. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my toothbrush to just brush up my eyebrows, brush it out. And the eyebrow pencil I got it from the beauty supply store. It is this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. It's so funny that people can never get their eyebrows done, or maybe I can never get my eyebrows done without my mouth being open, just looking ridiculous. Going over to this side. So I picked my mirror up because I couldn't really see, but pretty much done with my eyebrows. So I'm going to just use my LA Gel, my Pro Concealer, LA Gel, to just like give my eyebrows a little defining. Eyebrows are all done. The last thing I do for my eyebrows is I have this Kiss eyebrow gel that I just use to go over my eyebrows to just make it look extra nice and laid. I just apply a little bit, and it doesn't leave your eyebrow hard or anything. It just makes it look really good. Okay, now that that is done and over with, I am going to go and apply in my sunscreen, and this is the sunscreen that I have been using for a couple of weeks now, and it's been really good. I'm just gonna apply a little bit. I don't apply so much because I keep getting scared that my face is gonna look white, so I just go and apply a little bit. Just rub it on my fingers and make sure I rub it all over my face. I go in and apply my primer, and I use this one. I've been using this primer for a while now. I don't know, maybe I will try something else. If anybody has any primer to recommend for me, I would really be up for that. I have oily to combination skin, so it's really hard to find a primer that's gonna leave my face like matte all day, that I don't really have to go in and do so much work. So please, if you have any primer recommendation, please let me know. Okay, now that that is all done, I normally go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder. I just go over my face real quick before I add in my foundation. So I just do that, and I just brush it all over my face. I don't know, I just feel like it gives the makeup a good look at the end, so I just do that real quick. Okay, let's go right into foundation. The foundation that I use is the Huda Beauty foundation. I'm normally a MAC girl, but this Huda Beauty gives me really full coverage. I like to cover up my hyperpigmentation acne scars, so this has been really good to me. So I just apply some over here, drop over here, drop over there. So I like to go in first with my brush. Oops, dropped something. Go in first with my brush, and of course I have my mirror, so I'm gonna be looking at my mirror. Go in first with my brush and just really make sure I get it all around my face before going in with the beauty blender. And like I said, this foundation gives me a full, pretty much full coverage, so I really like it. And it doesn't leave my face oily when I'm done, like at the end of the day, so I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender, and I already sprayed it, so it's moist. I'm gonna just spray it a little more. Spray it a little more so it's nice and moist. Again, dab it. Dab, 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 dab. So guys, I would just want you guys to remember, I am not a professional makeup artist, so I might do something that other makeup artists that you watch don't do. This is just what I do to get me out the door and through the day. What I use is the Maybelline New York concealer, so I just use that and apply over here like so, like so. Apply some on the rim of my nose, under my chin, and yeah, just gonna go in and blend that all out. Next, I go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. That's the one I've been using for a while, and I got myself the mini one. I think I'm gonna get the bigger size, but it's been really good on my face, really good on my skin, so I'm gonna be purchasing it again. The one I have is almost finished, so I'm gonna be getting it again. Apply some over here. I always see people doing this, and just do it to just get a nice look all around my face. Just do that. So done. And I got this foundation stick. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hill foundation stick, and this one is in Truffle. This is the Truffle stick, so I just use that as a little contour. I don't really know how to contour, so I just use it to just darken my cheekbone, or pretty much define my cheekbone. Just put that over there, apply some up here and on my nose just a little bit. And I'm going to use the same beauty blender, just a different side, to just dab that in. Alright, I'm just gonna, so while my face is still baking, I'm just gonna go in with the James Charles Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm just gonna give my eye a little color. This is the mini palette, and you guys can see it's still pretty new because I don't know how to mix all these colors, but I'm just gonna try to do something to look cute. Let's see. I think I'm going to be using this one right here, this color right here, and this glitter one right here. All right, thank God it has a mirror, so I'm just gonna use that one. Up here. Oh, this is pretty. Wow, this is really pretty. This is literally my first big eyeshadow like purchase. Like I normally just go to the drugstore and just get myself an eyeshadow palette, but this is really pretty. Oh my goodness, I like how the color looks. Wow. Okay, maybe I should have gotten the bigger palette, but let's see. I'm gonna use this one for a while till it's all done, but this looks really good. maybe I can just leave my eye just this one. This looks pretty good. Doesn't hurt to add a little color. And of course the second one, I'll show you guys, is this one. So I use this one first, and then I'm gonna use this one just to give myself a little shimmer. Who doesn't like shimmer? But not too much. All right, I think that's enough for my eye. I'll survive. Just going to the store, so I'll survive. Looks good. So I'm still gonna use the mirror for this palette because the mirror is pretty bright. I'm just gonna brush out this extra powder from my face. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to just dab that in before going in with my brush. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with my brush and just brush it out a little bit. The last thing I'm gonna do, again, I'm just gonna use my MAC Studio Fix to just go over my whole entire face. Swiping the mirror. Use it to go over my whole entire face. Remembering my neck. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna apply some mascara so my eyes don't look brown like I'm a mommy who just woke up from the dead. So I'm just gonna apply a little mascara. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, this mascara is MAC. I got it from the MAC store. I've had it for a while, so obviously the name is peeling off, but yeah. On last, well, second to the last, I'm just gonna apply setting spray. That's from NYX. Next, just gonna close my eye. And last but not the least is my lip gloss. Since I'm not doing anything fancy today, I'm just going to the store. I'm gonna apply some lip gloss. Okay. Let me just look at myself in the mirror. All done. Just gonna brush my hair a little bit. No baby hairs for me. My locks needs to be retwisted, hence why I have the hair scarf. But guys, this is my final look. Yes, I know I don't have any earrings on, but this is how my face looks. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching my very simple everyday makeup routine. If you have any suggestions of things I should add or things I should do in my next or maybe updated makeup routine, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and like this video, and also remember to share it with your friends.